Hello, so welcome back to my channel once again. So in today, I'm going to show you where you can be getting free funded account, which is 50K for free. And remember, it's a stimulated capital. It's not a real fund. Okay, so take note of that. So the first thing first to do is to go to my Telegram channel. I put the link under the video description. Just go there and join my Telegram channel. That is the only place that you see the link to this giveaway. Okay, so this is my Telegram channel. I share a lot of opportunities right there. So when you are there, you are not going to enjoy only the giveaway updates. Okay, so I post signals, I post Forex tutorials, everything about your Forex journey. You are going to see them there. You can see the current program that we are going to host very soon. And even to this morning, I posted this signal as well. Okay, so there are a lot to enjoy there. So don't forget to go there and join. That is the only place you get access to all my link to bonuses. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll take you to a Discord where you can be getting a quick update. And remember, all these informations are publicly available on the internet for you to do research on. So let me go to the Telegram. Okay, it's from Atlas Funded. Okay, Atlas Funded. They are doing this giveaway, and I think it's the best time to share this with you guys. Okay, so this is their giveaway site. They used to announce this every single uh week. You are going to get like 2 or 3 within the week. Okay, so I realized that this is a nice opportunity that many of you can use to get a free funded account. So this is how it goes. So when you join their Discord, I'll put the link under the link in the Telegram channel. Okay, after you are watching this video, the link will be live in the Telegram channel. So this is it. They always do this as New York live season. Okay, that is how they call it. New York season live. 50K funded account giveaway by Atlas Funded still going on. Join us on our live and know how. So for this, it's a YouTube giveaway. You must join the online in order to get the account. And remember, it's a single person that is going to win within a particular season. So assuming they have a live season today, one person is going to walk away with 50K account. Okay, that is how they do it. So they may ask a question about how you pay attention. Okay, they may ask a question about whatever they teach on the live section, and also they may ask a question about some their proof firm. Okay, so they always give this account anytime they hold live section. So I want to update you today that there is some opportunity right here that you can use to get an account for free without paying anything. And this account is not a real fund. It's a stimulated capital or a demo account that you must showcase your trading style. When your trading style fits their requirement, that is where you'll be rewarded. That is how the account works. So it's not a real fund. It's a $50, $50,000 giveaway account, which is stimulated capital or demo account. Okay, so it's very, very important to join their Discord channel in order to get this opportunity. There are other announcements at their Discord section, so you can just go through and see wherever the opportunity is. Okay, right now they are even celebrating 50% Discord, 50% discount on all account purchase. So you just have to use the code BONGO or renew or rebrand. Okay, the code is rebrand. Okay, the rebrand, and then you get 50% off. That is very, very, very important to do, guys. So this is what I have for you. I love you guys. Remember, I drop updates on the channel every single day. So just is to just subscribe to the channel, and then everything will be yours every single day. Don't forget to like and share this video as well. Goodbye and see you in my next video tomorrow.